If you've ever thought about starting a perfume business in Nigeria, I'm telling you right now, it's not as simple as buy perfume, sell perfume, make money. Because this business can make you quick money, yes, but it can also quietly drain your pocket if you don't understand how it actually works. And you know the craziest part? Most people fail not because the market is bad, but because they start completely wrong. So in this video, I'm going to break everything down for you, like everything we need on how to start a perfume business in Nigeria. But before then, let me quickly welcome you guys to the Big Sido Hub channel. If it is your first time here, on this platform, I share business tips and startup guides. So if it is a kind of something you'll be interested in, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on so as to be notified when next I drop new video. Now let's get into it. Alright guys, first things first, before you even think about buying perfumes, you need to understand what people are actually buying. Because look, Nigerians don't just buy perfume for vibes. They are asking three things in their head every single time. And these things are: does it last? Can I afford it again? Is it easy to carry around? That's just it. Longevity, affordability, and convenience. That's it. That's the only thing Nigerians need. So if your product doesn't hit at least two of these, you are going to struggle, honestly. Like nobody wants a perfume that smells amazing for 10 minutes and then disappears like NEPA light. Now, here is where it gets interesting. You need to choose your business model, and please don't skip this part. I repeat it again, do not skip this particular part, because this is where a lot of people already mess up. They wake up one day and say, I want to start a perfume business without any plan, without choosing their model. There are basically three ways to enter this business. First, retail reselling. This one is the fastest. You just buy original perfumes and resell them for your own profit. It's as simple as that. No stress. But the profit margin might not be as crazy as expected unless you scale up. Second, oil perfumes. This is the hot market right now. You see all those small bottles, strong scent, cheaper prices, easy to carry. Nigerians really love this. Third is private labeling or mixing your own scent. Now this one has the highest profit potential but also highest responsibility, because you deal with the branding, consistency, customer trust, and everything. If you are just starting, don't overcomplicate your life. Start with retail or oil perfumes. Now let me tell you something people don't like hearing. Your personal taste does not matter in this business. Yes, I said it. Your personal taste doesn't matter at all as long as the perfume business is concerned. So don't go and stock perfumes just because you like how they smell or because you are a fan of a particular brand, because what you like might not sell. The market decides what is hot and not you. You need to observe what people are already buying. Ask sellers, check what is trending, pay attention to repeat purchases, because in this business, movement is everything. If it doesn't sell fast, that means it is dead stock, and dead stock means your money is just sitting there in the shelves doing absolutely nothing. Now let's get into sourcing, and this part is very serious. Fake perfumes will destroy your business faster than anything else. I'm not even exaggerating, guys. One bad experience, one customer that feels cheated, and boom, your reputation is gone. So here is the rule: if the price looks too good to be true, it is probably fake. Start small, test your suppliers, check reviews, ask questions. Don't just rely on one plug because somebody recommended them on WhatsApp, because honestly, some people will recommend a supplier just because they are making or they are earning commission from there, and you'll be the one suffering it later. Now listen carefully. Packaging is not just fine decoration. It's not just, you putting everything in the paper. Packaging is half of your sale. Yeah, because when someone sees your product, before they even smell it, they are already judging it. If your bottle is leaking, if your label is dirty, if everything looks washed, people will assume the perfume inside is also low quality. So that's just how it works. But when your packaging looks clean, neat, intentional, it builds trust immediately, even if you are selling something affordable. So please don't ignore packaging. Now let's talk about the money, because this is where a lot of people get it wrong. Most beginners will be like, I bought it for 3,000 naira, let me sell it for 3,200 naira, and then they wonder why they are always broke. Listen, your price is not just about what you bought. You have to include everything: your stock cost, your bottles, your labels, delivery expenses, losses, because yes, bottles will leak, customers will complain, things will go wrong sometimes, and then your profit. If you are not aiming for at least 40% to 60% margin, you are basically working for free. And nobody starts a business to suffer. Now, here is something I love about the perfume business. It is emotional. That is, people buy based on how it makes them feel. But Nigerians still use logic. They will still ask, how long does it last? Is it original? Is it original? How much is it? How fast can I get it? So if your marketing doesn't answer these questions, you are losing sales. So when you are posting online, don't just post new stock available like a lot of people normally do. That is boring. Talk about the scent. Explain the longevity. Be honest, because if you overhype, like just saying this perfume lasts 72 hours on your skin, people will drag you. And I believe you don't want to have problem with the online policies. Now let's quickly talk about the capital, because I know that is what is on your mind right now. You don't need millions to start. Honestly, people have started with as low as 50,000 naira. Now, will that give you a huge inventory? No, but it is enough to test the market, and that is the key: testing. Don't just go fully in it immediately. Start small, learn, adjust, then grow. And before I end this video, let me save you from some mistakes that waste money. Avoid stocking too many random scents without a plan. Blindly depending on one supplier is risky. Over-promising and over-delivering is very dangerous. Poor packaging kills the trust. Not tracking what sells is a big mistake. And late delivery, that one alone can destroy your business, because people in this country want their things fast, fast, like asapu. But trust me, the perfume business is one of the easiest businesses to enter right now. I mean, right now. But only if you treat it like a real business. No vibes, no guesswork. So that is all on how to start a lucrative perfume business in Nigeria. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you thinking of starting a perfume business, or are you already in it and want to share your experience with us? Drop it in the comment section below. Let's talk about it. And if this video helped you, even if it is a little, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Trust me, you don't want to miss what is coming next.